Good morning students. Welcome to the class. In this video lecture, we are going to understand the topic secondary meristems. In previous lecture, we have understood the meaning of tissues, various types of tissues, and we have understood meristematic tissue in detail, which is of two types, primary and secondary meristematic tissue. Today we will deal with this second one, secondary meristematic tissue. Now, secondary meristematic tissue is the tissue which helps in the development of plant's body in the later stage. It appears later than primary tissue and it is present in mature regions of root and shoot, and these are cylindrical meristems. It means they appear cylindrical, and they are of three main types. First one, fascicular vascular cambium. Next is interfascicular cambium, and third one is Cork Cambium. Now let us understand the meaning of the word fascis first of all. The meaning of the word fascis is bundle. You might have studied about Nazi government. That was an autocratic government in Germany. It was in your syllabus in 10th class. So on similar lines, there was a autocratic government in Italy. That government had this symbol. This is National Fascist Party. This is the symbol, in which this is a bundle of wooden sticks. These sticks are joined together and there is one axe also attached to it with its blade emerging outside. So the word fascis means a bundle. Here we can see a bundle of wooden sticks which are joined together. Now coming back to botany, similar kind of bundles are present in the plant body also. In this diagram we can see it's a structure of, it is in animals, structure of skeletal muscle. In this diagram we can see that there is a muscle fiber, this one protruding. It is muscle fiber, and similar muscle fibers, they form a bundle. Similar bundles are present in this structure, and this bundle is called as fascicle. How many fascicles are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are seven such fascicles, means bundles. So not only muscle fibers, there are nerve fibers also. So just like animal body, in plant body, there are bundles of vascular, they are vascular bundles, means they contain xylem and phloem. Now coming back to the topic, second word is cambium. Cambium is a cellular tissue which helps in secondary thickening of the plant. Now secondary thickening means, let us say this is the size of the plant's body, means its girth when the plant is in the primary stage, younger stage. At maturity, the girth will increase. So this horizontal increase in size of the plant is called as secondary thickening of the plant or secondary growth of the plant. When a plant is young, the type of growth that it exhibits is called as primary growth. But at later stages, the secondary growth also takes place. So once again, I repeat, the horizontal growth of the plant is called as secondary growth, which takes place at the maturity. Now this tissue helps in the formation of xylem, then phloem. Xylem is the tissue which helps in conduction of water. Phloem helps in the conduction of glucose, or you can say food. And then cambium also helps in the formation of the cork tissue. Now what is cork? We will see through image. Now this is the outermost part of the tree. This woody part, this is cork. This person is removing the cork of the plant. Okay. Now meristematic tissue, it is of three main types. First one is fascicular, vascular cambium. It is present between xylem and phloem of vascular bundles. It is also called as intra-fascicular vascular cambium. Now, why it is called as intrafascicular? Because intra means within fascicles. And what are fascicles? Fascicles are bundles of xylem and phloem. In simple words, they are vascular bundles. And the cambium present within those bundles is called as intrafascicular vascular cambium, or simply fascicular vascular cambium. The next one is interfascicular cambium. Now inter is opposite to intra. Opposite means that intra means within, so inter means in between. So in between what? In between fascicular means bundles, vascular bundles. Interfascicular cambium is present in between vascular bundles, between two vascular bundles. Let us see with the help of a image. Now this is the image showing your secondary tissue. This image is taken from NCERT textbook. Only focus on first two images, these pink one. In these images, all the parts are common. See, this is epidermis, then cortex, primary phloem, means the phloem formed in the primary life stage of the plant. Then primary xylem, then pith, and vascular cambium. Okay, vascular cambium means intrafascicular vascular cambium. So it is present in between the vascular bundle. If this is vascular bundle, this fascicular cambium is present in between the vascular bundle. But in this second diagram, there is interfascicular cambium. This is missing in the first diagram. Interfascicular means it is present between two vascular bundles. So there are roughly 12 vascular bundles, and there is a cambium present in between all of them, which forms a ring type of structure, which is absent in the first diagram. So once again, in first diagram we can see intrafascicular vascular cambium, or simply vascular cambium, which is also present in the second image, but the interfascicular cambium is present only in the second image. And these remaining third and fourth diagrams will be dealt in the upcoming videos when we will deal with the topic secondary growth. Now last one is Cork cambium. As you have already seen cork, this cork cambium is a tissue which is present in stem. It helps in the formation of cork. This cambium divides, let us say this is cambium. It divides and forms cells on both sides, inner side as well as outer side. On the outer side it forms cork, and on the inner side it forms layer of cells containing chlorophyll. So with this, our topic secondary meristem is over. In the next lecture we will deal with the permanent tissue. Thank you.